Hi friends, in this video we'll discuss about Elon Musk's top projects which are going to change our lifestyle. The first one is Starlink mission. We get internet services with the help of cables which are spread across all the countries in the entire globe. Spending lakhs of crores of rupees on laying the cables across the oceans. From there, when the cable reaches the country, for all these cities to be spread across, the local cable providers will lay down the network reaching to our home, and from there we will get our internet services with the help of router. But the main problem occurred is we hardly find internet in villages and also in hilly areas, as the population is very less and no network service provider will be able to provide the internet services over there. To overcome this problem, Elon Musk came up with a project called Starlink mission, where cables are replaced with satellites. So we get internet from satellites directly. The process starts like this. Satellites will be launched with the help of rockets, which will be placed around 500 kilometers above the earth, and each satellite will be able to cover around 1000 kilometers of radius on the earth's surface. Antenna will be used as similar to table antenna or a dish cable, which we generally use for getting the television services. In a similar way, antenna will be used for getting the internet service, which will be connected to the router and will be spread across the entire home. Till now, 1500 satellites have been launched, and for the entire mission to be completed, 12,000 satellites have to be launched and expected time period of 10 years. It is implemented in few countries and also tested that we were able to get around 150 Mbps of internet speed. Elon Musk also states that in future the speed will be increased to a lot of extent. As you all know, launching of satellites is a very tough job and includes a lot of expenditure. Elon Musk is able to do it in much cheaper way with the help of SpaceX. And the next project is Neuralink. The mission of the project is to treat several brain-related diseases such as paralysis and spinal cord diseases, which are caused due to cell damage issue of brain. Also, smartphones, mobiles and other accessories can be controlled with the help of brain directly. Elon Musk has recruited several neuroscientists from different universities and are working on a technology of a chip such that the chip will be placed on a brain, which will trigger the actions which will related to spinal cord and paralysis. This project is in development and testing phase. Recently, it has been tested across a monkey, where monkey was trained to play a video game. When it plays successfully, food will be released to it. Later, the joystick is being removed, and with the help of chip triggered from the brain, the monkey is still able to play the game without the help of joystick. The next project is the Boring Company. The major challenge across many countries is traffic. To overcome this, Elon Musk came up with a solution where tunnels will be constructed underground, which are connected across different cities. Lifting machines will be placed to carry the vehicles at different stations. When tested under the same scenario in some cities, the vehicle which was able to cover around 70 km per hour, while using the tunnel, the same vehicle was able to cover more than 200 km per hour. Usually, for building tunnels, it would take up a lot of cost. But Elon Musk, with latest technology, is able to construct tunnels with much cheaper price. The next project is Solar City. Currently, electricity is generated with the help of coal, which is creating a lot of pollution, and also it is becoming a non-renewable resource of energy. Coal is becoming little distinct, and also the processing for getting the electricity is little expensive. So Elon Musk has found a solution for this and wanted to use solar energy to generate electricity, and this will be done using solar panels. So the agreements go like this. So if a customer want to install solar panels in the house for his house, he need to make an agreement such that installation of solar panels for this entire house will be done for free, but the current generated and he is using accordingly should be purchased from the company. That is the agreement all about. And during the night time, as we don't have solar energy, A power wall, which is a huge battery kind of a thing, will be installed in every home. So will get recharged. It will get recharged in the morning hours where solar light is present, and in the night hours the battery can be reused for generating the electricity. So basically it acts as an inverter. These are the top projects of Elon Musk. Moreover, there are much more upcoming projects like Hyperloop, where you can travel around 50 kilometers in just 2.5 minutes, which is more than 1000 kilometers per hour. And the next project is SpaceX. Elon Musk strongly believes that due to global disaster or due to overpopulation, mankind may die. Looking for an alternative, the main mission of SpaceX is to explore the other alternative, like settling up in other planets. And the next one is artificial intelligence. The project name is OpenAI, which mimics the human brain. If you want to know more about these projects, let me know in the comment section so that it can help me out in making other video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.